Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a set of trading signals that few people share because they're usually a secret. It's not complicated. And if you're a beginner, you're in luck. There's a lot of valuable information to share. So, without further ado, let's get started. Now, let me make a purchase first. Now, I will explain why I choose the higher or lower option. Here, I make a purchase for 5 minutes because I choose a signal with a duration of 5 minutes. Make sure the trading duration does not exceed the duration of the signal given. I make this decision based on signals from the Turbo Trend software, which automatically analyzes market movements and provides buy or sell signals in real time. For example, on the GBP-USD pair, Turbo Trend gives a sell signal, which means the market is predicted to fall within 5 minutes. From this signal, I determine my trading position. Now, let's discuss the advantages of Turbo Trend software. Turbo Trend uses 26 best indicators with different settings to generate more accurate buy and sell signals. Another advantage is that this tool can be used on all binary option brokers, so you are free to choose the most convenient platform. If you are interested in trying it, please check the description section of this video. There, and you will be connected directly to us. However, keep in mind that all types of trading have risks. Use this strategy wisely and make sure you only use funds that you are ready to risk. Okay, now let's look at the results of the following 5 trades. Notice how each position was taken based on signals from Turbo Trend and how the final results show the effectiveness of this strategy. The 5 trades you just saw were all profitable without a single loss. This shows that with the right strategy and accurate signals, trading can be done with more confidence. Turbo Trend is not a magic tool, but with the combination of 26 of the best indicators, it is able to provide strong and reliable signals. If you are serious about increasing your chances in binary options trading, this is a tool you should try. Please check the description to download the software and connect with us directly. Thanks for watching. Hope it was useful and see you in the next video.